What's up, world? It's Christian again. This here is
Sergio.
What? Yes, this is my boy Sergio. We are here in a Challenging Friday video. We're going to do the Chicken Nugget challenge because, you know, we're both fat. Yeah.
I'm not actually fat. I'm part of a secret government experiment where we just eat, but we don't get fat. We just look fat. I'm really healthy.
He really is healthy. So let's check this out, guys. I went to McDonald's, our local McDonald's. Oh, he's serious about this. I went to our local McDonald's and got us 120 chicken nuggets.
And shit.
He doesn't like barbecue. He likes buffalo. I messed up. I'm sorry. So let me see. 20, 40, 60. I got my 60. Oh, you're straight giving me all the barbecue. Okay.
Yeah, man.
We got 6 minutes to either eat as much as we can or finish it.
One every 10 seconds.
Basically.
I strategized.
So, if he finishes it or I finish it before the 6 minutes are up, that's the winner. If none of us finish it, we count how much we have left, and whoever has the least left wins. Loser has to take a shot of Valentina sauce.
Dude, what the You didn't tell me that.
He ain't ready now. He's off guard. He's off guard. Can I have some barbecue? I mean some buffalo? Give me that attitude.
I told you.
Alright. Let me open this to get ready for this.
Wait, let me set everything up.
Yeah, we gotta set everything up right now, guys. Sorry. I'm nervous, dude. I'm extremely nervous.
You want some Alondra?
Hey, you can offer when we're done. Oh, wow. I should be doing that right now. I don't need that.
Slow-mo. Are you really getting the slow-mo?
So I got Alondra here. She's gonna have my phone, so we have a second. Yeah, there's her hand. We got a second angle. Oh wow. Her mom just gave us a shot glass, so she knows what's up.
I'm gonna sit right here.
Yeah, alright guys. Don't worry, only your hand's there. I don't even care if you show up.
The phone's gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Here. I'll move it up there.
I need to time myself.
Yeah, no, we good. Alright. Oh my god, dude, you're really opening everything.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Alright.
AK, no. Her dog's
in the
here.
middle. We can like dip wherever you want.
No, it's fine. We're good. Are we ready?
No, one more.
No? Okay, he's not ready. Oh my god, dude, I'm so nervous about this.
Alright, I'm ready.
Ready? And begin.
It takes more than 10 seconds.
Not even ready, bro. Do we get water?
No.
You got water bottles?
No.
Why are you lying?
Valentina.
Stand in my room. Try those, please.
Double-handed.
In case you guys cheat.
Come on.
You just lost like 10 seconds
Yeah,
each.
come on.
No, we didn't. We lost like...
You lost 2 nuggets.
I'm gonna have time, so.
Did you see your head of time?
I'm ahead of schedule.
Oh my god. Immediately regretting this decision.
This shit don't work. I mean, buffalo. Finish it out, buffalo sauce. Finish it out, buffalo sauce. Finish it out, buffalo sauce.
Probably. So sorry if the audio sucks, guys. I still need to get a mic for the camera. I'm still working on that. But I'm sure y'all can hear. What?
I left them dumping there.
Alright, 10 down.
30 time?
51. Dude, you don't even know how many you ate.
I don't need to count. That's it. Loading my gun.
Dude, Stacy's gonna be so mad at us. What more you?
For me. Why me?
Stacey can't be mad at Sergio.
Why?
She's white. You can't be mad at her Mexican. You won't cut her lawn.
Oh my god, dude, we have 3.5 minutes left.
Oh, you guys also second in the water, Mama. It's a mistrial, there we go.
I don't remember when.
I could have eaten both of them.
What?
Because I just stuffed my mouth with more than one. Chicken Nugget.
I'm stuck.
What?
I'm trying to talk.
What did you say?
Enchiladas.
You got whatever's left over.
A little fish.
Did you eat today?
Yeah, I didn't.
I didn't.
I had a
No, I didn't. I eggs.
pre-game hot dogs. 3.
I had eggs.
Chicago style.
Oh, where?
At my house. I'm
You're
prepared.
losing time.
No, we're not.
You're gonna bring us all down, Sergio. We're all counting on you.
Mm.
Like everybody besides Christian. Even Christian was counting on
You
you.
guys really don't think I'm gonna win. I'm extremely scared right now.
You're shaking. You're shaking.
No, man, this cost me like $30.
Well, let me ask you to make the challenge.
22, right? I mean, 20.
They made me do the freaking, made me do the 340 piece. I'm pretty sure they're cheating me or something. I think it might be cheaper for 620 piece. I think about you had them open already. It takes time.
I told you. I didn't tell you, but I showed you.
We have less than a minute and a half.
I'll try to get it something.
That's weird.
Meanwhile,
Dude, this is like a ball.
you had balls in your mouth.
Like
before.
closet?
Only on the weekends.
It's Sunday.
It's sun.
Exactly.
It's the Lord's Day, Christian. Don't say that.
Ah!
It'll ring.
Ah!
I still gotta time myself.
We have less than a minute.
I don't have really slow eaters. Chicken nuggets.
You cut out. It's hard.
You've had bigger things in your mouth before surgery.
My name cut line. My name cut line. My name cut line. Stop!
No, we're here. 15 seconds.
I'm gonna slow-mo these last few seconds.
If they're in my mouth before it finishes, does it count?
Yeah. Alright, count the nuggets.
Give us a second.
By the looks of it, I think. Oh, I don't even.
Sounds the same.
Yeah, it looks the
We
same.
need a count. Dude, that was hard.
Hey, these are in my mouth, so.
No, no,
Alright.
no. Those won't count.
Alright. That's 2 right there. I can't breathe.
Oh. Alright, count.
One, two,
23.
Oh.
Wait, how many did I count? Man.
I have 23 left. Oh, my jaw hurts, dude.
Alright, that's it. Oh. I think he might beat me. Dude,
Because you didn't finish it. You didn't finish it yet.
25.
23. Ooh. You know what that means? Shot time.
Hold on, Stacey's hand.
Oh, dude, she's gonna get pissed.
Oh,
Oh,
before he gets here.
ganó.
That was a lot, dude. I won.
Él ganó.
Winner. I had 23 left. Let me get a close up of this, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's 100% Valentina hot sauce. At least it's not the extra hot one. The black tag one.
I know there was another time.
Yeah, there's they have a black tag and it has the and then it's straw. You're still eating?
I can still beat you.
You can't still beat me. I won already.
I demand a recount.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23. You just ate one though. Shut up.
I ate 2.
Fancy.
I won. I won. Guys, Stacy's here.
Yeah.
Stacy's here. Lean in and say hi. Yeah, that's Sergio's girl. And it's time for this, guys. Loser had to take a shot of Valentina sauce. Get a close up of this. Hold on. I need to get my phone. Alright, you ready?
Why does that have to be a close up?
Go for it. Go for it. Cheers. Salud.
Brought to you by
What the hell
Bacardi
happened?
Limon.
Goodbye to your girl.
Go for it. Go, 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 go. Go. Go! Oh!
Oh, it's actually not that bad.
You need to lick around that, dude.
No.
Oh, dude, that was tough.
So how
My
many did you eat?
jaw hurts.
40.
60 minus 23. What is that? I can't do math right now, dude. I'm
37.
I touched 37? I ate 37. You had 25, so you had
2 less.
you had 2 less than me.
6
Oh my god, dude, I can't breathe. My jaw hurts, dude. I hurt my jaw.
You really couldn't eat some more?
No,
They're in
they're
his
in his
mouth,
mouth.
technically, so.
But he.
You swallow first?
No, he had to swallow it.
Yes, I do. That's for you.
Nice.
You're eating.
I'll take it.
I'll take it too, actually. Put that right here.
I still can't.
Alondra's mom just made us.
My mom's gonna make us all
Enchiladas?
bug Christian.
Oh, shit.
Dude, that was hardcore. But you know what, guys? I did that for you guys.
No, here, I need a break.
I want these. I really do. I might have these.
Yeah.
So I did this all for you. I hope you all liked it. Sergio, did you have fun?
No.
He didn't have fun. I got sauce on my crotch. And
That's what she said.
So, guys, thank you all for tuning in again.
You're ill.
You guys could like this video, subscribe if you enjoy these, and more challenge videos will be coming up Fridays. There'll either be challenge videos or sessions.
Sunday.
I don't know yet. This is going up on Friday.
Oh.
I still need to edit. Leave comments below on other challenges you guys would like to see me do with my friends. And yeah, guys, stay tuned. Catch y'all later.